Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Hello friends, good morning! Kumusta na kayong lahat? Sana okay lang kayo. Ano guys, aalis kami guys. Pupunta kami ng Puerto Venecia in Zaragoza. Okay guys, so we are going. And I will drive.
Por eso no te vale.
Sí, Anabas, chanclas.
Ahora farem un podcast. Mama, can you sing English?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Alright guys, so nakarating na kami sa Zaragoza. Almost 2 hours yung biyahe namin. And ang inunang pinuntahan namin ay yung Decathlon. As you can see, nandito na kami sa loob ng Decathlon. At yun nga, bumili kami ng mga gamit na kailangan namin. Ang bumili pala guys ay yung asawa ko at saka ako, and yeah, yun lang guys. Kaming dalawa lang pala ang bumili kasi mga bata hindi sila bumili, wala silang kailangan sa Decathlon, kaya lumipat kami sa isang shop. So ito guys yung pinakamalaki na mall dito sa Zaragoza, and also dito sa amin guys kung saan kami nakatira, kaya most of the people na taga dito sa amin, sa lugar namin or sa probinsya namin in general, ay pumupunta kami dito sa Puerto Venecia kasi you can really find a lot of products that you really need, and you can choose many things guys, kaya as in na pinupuntahan ng maraming tao itong mall na ito guys, kasi isang lugar lang siya. Tapos, nandoon lahat guys yung mga shops, restaurants, and all that. Kaya hindi ka na pupunta at sasakay pa ng sasakyan or bus to go somewhere kasi nandito na lahat, guys. So ayan, mga 1 kumain na kami kasi we were hungry. We didn't eat breakfast. Mga bata, yes, they ate breakfast, but my husband and I, we didn't eat breakfast. So we decided to go and eat here in this burger restaurant. And this burger restaurant is really good, guys. As in 100% beef yung meat nila. And then after kami kumain, yun na, nag-start na kami na bumili ng mga kailangan ng mga bata. So Hailey is looking for jeans kasi nga mag-start na siya sa school. As in, guys, na pag may anak ka, syempre lumalaki yung anak mo, nag-iiba din ang kailangan. Kaya kaya ayun, kailangan niya ng jeans, lahat, guys, sweater or sweatshirt, ganun. Pero bumili din kami for Lakota and also for my husband. So, ang binili ko lang, guys, ay yung sa Decathlon, wala na. Sabi nga nila na bakit hindi daw ako bimili. Sabi ko naman na bibili lang ako kung talagang kailangan ko. Hindi na bibili kung lahat kayo bumili, so kailangan bumili din ako. Ganon. Hindi ako ganon, guys. Bibili lang talaga ako kung kailangan. Kaya yun ang gusto kong ano kay Hailey talaga, kasi Hailey gustong-gusto niya talaga, guys, ang mag-shopping. So ayun, kay Lakota naman kasi syempre si Hailey, yung mga nalakihan na ni Hailey na mga gamit, most of them ipinapasa niya kay Lakota. Pero syempre gusto ko rin bumili ng para kay Lakota talaga, guys, na talagang yung ibang mga kailangan niya. So ayun, maaga kaming umuwi kasi that time, guys, parang may race na La Vuelta de España na sabi nila, yung cycling, guys. Pero yung cycling na yun is they have to round the whole Spain. So days or weeks na ganun, guys. So halimbawa, itong day na ito, doon sa lugar na yun sila magsisimula. Tapos the next day, ibang lugar na naman. So natsambahan or natiempohan namin na doon nga sa lugar sa Zaragoza kung saan kami pumunta, doon sila dumaan. So narinig ng asawa ko na yun nga, they are going to close the road kasi yung mga cyclists ay dadaan. So napaaga tuloy kaming umuwi. Magmerienda sana kami pero sabi namin na uuwi na lang para hindi kami matagalan doon. So finally nakarating na kami sa bahay, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again very soon. Oh, bye!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We ride